How to create text masking effect in Canva. Go to Canva.com and choose Instagram portrait. Upload your photo and resize it fit the page. Go to Elements and select Square Shape. Go to Text, add a heading. Type your word. Enlarge its size and change its color to white. Change the font. I use this font. I rotate it 90 degrees and put it in the right place. Duplicate this page. And delete this photo. Download this page as a PNG. I'm going back to page 1. And I'll delete this rectangle. I am uploading the page I downloaded. And I'll import it and resize it to fit the page. Go to Remove Background. Go to Effect, Duotone, Custom, Shadow and change its color to white. Select the word and go to Effect. Select Hollow and reduce its thickness to 13 or 14. This is the final result. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.